Good morning, y'all, and happy Thanksgiving. So it's Thanksgiving today, and I'm literally just gonna be in the house. I'm just gonna be in the house, chilling and relaxing. I actually do have a lot to do, so hopefully I'm able to do them. But I'm going to prioritize resting first, right? And still definitely get everything I have to do, get it out the way today. And this is probably the first Thanksgiving that I'm not gonna be in the company of family and friends and all that. But yeah, it's fine. I yeah, today I want to cook. I'm probably gonna make fried rice, and I got some supplies for my barbecue turkey. But I'm not sure I was able to get it all, but at least I can work with what I have. So that's fine, that's enough. Yeah, so and also guys, I've been trying to eat healthy. I actually do eat healthy, but let me say I'm trying to eat more healthy. Like I'm trying to take in more healthy foods. And I was fine until I decided to start eating clean and all. I didn't have issues with eating the things I'm not supposed to until I finally said that I want to start eating healthy. Now I want to eat the things that I just I'm reasonable. Now I'm craving crazy ass things that don't even I'm not supposed to be eating. That's when I'm craving. I'm like, before I decided to say, okay, I want to start eating healthy, I was fine. So what is going on? But yeah, that's my reality right now. And hopefully I'm able to snap out of it. Yeah, we're gonna be editing, studying, and just doing everything that I want to do. I have a lot to do, like I said, so I gotta get everything. I have to get it all done, right? And also cook. I'm also gonna make. I don't know if I said that before, but I'm also gonna. I'm just all over the place. But yeah, y'all gonna take me like that. I also want to make fried rice. I'm saying all these things that I want to make that I don't even know if I'm actually going to be able to do them. But I really want to make fried rice because I really want to eat fried rice. And when I say I want to eat fried rice, I want to eat my own fried rice or my mother's fried rice. Oh my god, my mom makes the best fried rice ever. But she's not available. She's not even in the country, so she left me. So yeah, I have to make my own fried rice. Hopefully I'm able to make it today and then I'll feel good about it. So let's go guys. So sad right now because I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. Because right now I really don't like how I feel in all of this area. But yeah, I just freshened up now and I want to do my skincare and go start cooking. So when I'm done cooking, I can calm down and figure other things out. Y'all probably don't know, but I used to have a beauty brand. I miss those days. It was very fun. And this lip gloss was from my beauty brand. And guys, I'm just that kind of person who has a lot of things that she loves to do and have tried and learned from a whole lot of things, right? This is one of them. I did that during my college days, university days. I did that and it kept me busy. It was fun. It was fun while it lasted. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna, keep doing it, but yeah, it's just for now. It's not functioning for now. And yeah, I I've tried that. I've learned from it in a good way. And I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know what time will tell. Time will tell. And I think it depends on what type of, community I create for myself, what kind of community I have. I think that will determine if I will, still do it or not. But for now, it's on the side. So yeah. Today we're not doing anything much, just something simple so I can get to work. Yeah. So I already used this in the shower, the CeraVe cleanser, and I showed y'all already. I used the toner, Neutrogena toner. And now I'm gonna be using the ordinary niacinamide. Niacinamide. It's not showing, I don't know, but yeah, it's the niacinamide. The fact that I'm not going anywhere today, I feel like I could just use my retinol and just use it now. But it's fine, I'll just use it at night. And the ordinary moisturizer. I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, okay. Yeah, the ordinary moisturizer. So this moisturizer, I was gonna buy the actual white one, but turns out I bought the transparent one. I was so mad because I feel like that one's more stronger than this, but it's fine. I'm definitely gonna get the other one because I prefer that one, but I'm not gonna let this one go to waste either, so I'll use it. And some more lip gloss because it's lovely and it smells heavenly. Oh God, it smells so good, y'all. You can never use too much lip gloss. Okay, y'all, let's get to work. I really don't want to do this. Can I just lay down to bed? Order something. But yeah, I want to eat very nice. Very nice fried rice. So I have no choice. I have a choice, but I want to do it actually. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this, y'all. Some ginger. Let's do it. Let's do this, y'all. It's a bit chilly too, and that's why I'm wearing the sweater. It's a bit chilly, but yeah, let's go do this. And I'm actually contemplating between blending the onions and the pepper and the seasonings together with oil in the blender, or just blend the onions and the pepper and then add the season and all that. I don't know, but I guess the option I'm gonna go for is just blend everything together in blender. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add oil to it too. So this is how it's looking. I'm just gonna, let it marinate and all that. And yes, guys, I cooked the whole turkey last Thanksgiving, but let's just say I'm not really a fan. So maybe I was missing something. I don't know. I prefer it this way. Let me cut my turkey out big. So yeah, it just feels better this way. So yeah, that's why we're going this route. Y'all, I'm already tired because I'm doing a lot of talking and a lot of actually making these videos for y'all. So it's taking my time. I think I need a little more getting used to, So yeah, taking too much time. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cook. I'm just gonna cook and not show too much, because the more I show, the more of my time is taken. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry. It's just me. So yeah. Our food is almost done, but while we wait, we're gonna be having this petite peppermint cookies and cream shortcake I got earlier. I got yesterday, not earlier actually. I got it yesterday, and this is gonna officially gonna be our Thanksgiving cake. This is gonna be our Thanksgiving cake, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, everybody, again. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful for this year. I'm thankful for the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful to God for provisions, for protection, for everything. I'm grateful for family. I'm grateful for friends. I'm grateful for y'all. I'm grateful for progress in my life, in everything. I'm grateful for productivity. And I'm just all around grateful, you know. And y'all, I love positive vibes a lot. And I really want to try to, reflect that on people that I meet. And I feel like I did. Who's calling me? It's my cousin, Taiwo. If you're watching this video, I didn't pick up your call because I was making a video. But I'll call her back. So yeah, what was I saying? Okay, yeah. So I was saying that I feel like I reflected that on people a lot this year, and I'm grateful for that. Positivity is like very important to me. But yeah, the only thing I still wasn't able to do this year was make friends, and it really doesn't matter. I really want people that will match my energy. I'm not gonna force it. It just, if it comes, it comes, and I'm very fine. I'm totally okay. So yeah. Now let's dive into this greatness right here. Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't want to stop. Let me show y'all properly. As soon as I'm done with everything I'm doing, before I go to bed, I make sure I take some medications, because you don't want to see me when I'm sick. You really don't want to see me when I'm sick. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go check on the food. See this big piece of turkey? This is me acting like I can finish it. I can't. I absolutely can't. But it tastes so good, y'all. Oh, tenderism, whatever he said. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, let me stop. So I was gonna say, Lately, I find myself on what I call the best part of YouTube. You know, the side that actually feeds my mind. You know, instead of just random scrolling or like watching movies. Not like I don't watch movies at all. I do watch movies, but just sometimes like I find myself being more comfortable and, should I say, fulfilled when I watch, like, knowledge driven shows and podcasts and all of that. I love hearing great people talk a lot, and them talking about their journey and how it didn't just happen overnight. Like, success didn't just happen overnight, and it came from consistency and discipline, right? And just putting in the work and all of that, and it just puts me in the right state of mind that I want to be right now. And it just makes me know that mindset really matters. Whatever you're able to do, whatever you're able to achieve, depends on what you feed your mind with. And this shows just puts me in the right mind space, in the right headspace. If I'm having a screen time, I want it to be something worthwhile, something that would help me grow. Like, I'm not saying it's wrong to like watch movies or anything, but it's just sometimes, like, right now, I am, like I said, I am currently, like, just currently in the I'm currently at a point where I just want to be. That's what just keeps me going. I just want knowledge driven information. I want knowledge driven everything that I'm dealing with right now. I just want it to be knowledge driven. That's my fun. That's my fun currently. So yeah, my current favorite show is The Diary of a CEO, right? And yeah, I've really fallen in love with that show. I've seen a whole lot of shows, but currently is The Diary of a CEO. Y'all can go check it out. I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna like it. And yeah, guys, I would like y'all to tell me what side of YouTube you're on right now. Let me know. And yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of this vlog because I am very tired. And as you can tell in my voice and the way I sound, I am getting congested and feverish. So I'm just gonna go get some rest. I'm gonna go to sleep. I initially had a lot to do. I'm supposed to, get some work done and all that, but I can't because I don't feel good. So yeah, I need to go get some rest. I'm just gonna sit watch TV for a little while, and then I'm just gonna sleep off. Cause yeah, I'm really tired. I'm gonna watch my show and just go to bed. Yeah, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I'm happy to be doing this again. And yes, guys, I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was alone. That's okay. I loved it. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Like and subscribe so I can know that I'm actually doing something, okay? I love y'all. Bye.